My name is Dan Henderson. I'm from Topeka, Kansas, and I came here to increase my skill level, to learn more about different equipment and chemicals, and to learn to service my customers better. Today we're actually getting down to the nitty-gritty and detailing cars. Today's exteriors, and we've used a lot of different types of equipment, different brands, and it really gives us a great overview of all the different things that we can use when we're detailing, so I can make better decisions about what products and equipment to buy when I get back to my own business. I had a great experience this weekend at Detail King. The instructors, I have to say, the instructors really went out of their way to make sure that I, and really all the students, had an understanding of each piece of the process as we went through it. And that was really good, because I had some questions and they were able to not only answer them, but really take it more in depth. As far as the weekend, I would recommend this training to anyone who's considering auto detailing.